I'm the only one. Oh no, I thought it was the only one, but there's someone else. To take Rue de Charenton today. This is one of the longest streets in Paris, and as you might have heard from me months ago, this street was supposed to undergo changes, but as usual, it's in sections, it's in parts. And right now, the only part I can think of that has been changed is further down. But what we've never done is use the last section of the street, which, by the way, in an area I used to live in when I was a small kid. And I'm very hopeful because earlier this morning, because of the detour to Avenue de Nogent, I didn't foresee that my battery will, change that, so that the battery will die on me and I didn't have a recharge. Also, I don't believe I needed to record the very end because it was almost at work. I can confirm the road is not finished. Absolutely not. But it is quiet. This part of the street, even though you can't see large pictograms on the floor or anything, well, it does look like it's completed. I don't know what they need to do in order to finish it. Oh yes, I guess they need to put like Vélo Rue in bold white letters, Bike Street or Fietsstraat. Yeah, I can't speak Dutch. I just know how to say a few words. Main. Alright, so we are at this place, a square. I don't know if it has a name, it does. Just need to try and read it. Oh, no right priority. Okay. Oh, but they cannot go straight. Oh, I think I've already acknowledged that. Oh, we're gonna go around. Alors, this is a bus lane, a bike lane, not path, and yeah, several different features. Oh, Altis, there's something you need to check. Altis. That's not where we're going, so Dormitor. Oh, wait, can I go back? Okay, I need to wait here. There's no car. I can go. Oh, okay, I can. Just tell them where I'm going. I have to stop twice. Get to let people go, and then I turn left. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. A lot of lines, but it works. All right. So let's keep going down Rue de Charenton. So this part has definitely been refurbished. The floor is brand new, very dirty, but brand new. It did rain for the last 3 or 4 days, mainly this morning. It's very quiet. I'm happy. I can definitely confirm that this is not how it looks like every day. Definitely not. Oh, and the famed Viaduc des Arts above. I really don't think there's a cycle anything. So as I said, the plan is to go at the end of the Rue de Charenton street. So it's supposed to be right here. Then left here, and then right here. Alright, let's see what the south of the street has to show. Is it the south? Yeah, southeast. very unfamiliar with this area. So I guess nothing has changed because it still doesn't feature any sort of lane. I think this is Boulevard d'Euro up there. Yeah. Oh, I remember. Yeah, we came here to check. There was something happening here, and I thought it was a cycle path, but it isn't. Hello. And here we are. Oh, maybe it was a good choice coming here. I didn't know about that. All right, so down we go. Oh, it's going up the street now. Oh my goodness. I don't think we're going to be able to take the street. Oh yes, there's a single lane. All right. Let's try that. I'm not even sure what they're doing. I don't think they know what they're doing. So I'm just gonna ignore them as much as I can and go. And I could even pass this grey car. Oh look, a path. And a go on red. Perfect. Alright, I'm not gonna read. But wow. Okay, so they're planning on extending the cycle path over there up to here, which is always good. I didn't know it was so steep. I didn't even see the car. To the flat top, I would say. And did you see the person who went right on the pedestrian crossing? Yeah, I don't know, but I would have felt safer in doing the same. But it does look good. That was my school when I was a kid. I've got to go in red? Okay, I'm not gonna not use it. Ugh. Right across my face. I don't know where to go. And the good news is, the avenue in front of us, oh, first of all, there's a tram. But the avenue behind, there's two trams, oh my god, twice in a day. Is it my birthday? It isn't, just so you know. But every time you see a tram, or two trams, you can hit the like button and subscribe. That's a good idea, isn't it? I think it is. So the avenue in front of us is Avenue de Paris, but in Charenton. The sun is hitting my back. It's really, really hot. Tram 3A. Do you want to cross? It's late. tram 3A goes here. Another tram. I think, yeah, riding along trams can be fun.